Hey everyone, it's Crowned One Financial, and today we're diving headfirst into the delicious world of dividend stocks. You know, those magical investments that pay you just for holding on to them? It's like getting free guacamole at Chipotle, always a good thing. Now, I'm not talking about those risky fly-by-night stocks that might disappear faster than your last dollar at a Vegas casino. We're talking about the blue chip companies, the ones that have been around since your grandparents were kids, the ones that are as solid as a brick, house, made of bricks. So, if you're ready to build a portfolio that spits out passive income like a Pez dispenser, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this money. First up, we've got the OG of consistency, the king of reliability, the one and only Johnson & Johnson. This company has been around for over 130 years, and in that time, they've built a reputation for being one of the most dependable names in the business. From their humble beginnings in 1886, they've grown into a global powerhouse, with products that touch nearly every aspect of our lives. Whether it's the Band-Aid you put on your kid's scraped knee or the life-saving medical devices used in hospitals, Johnson & Johnson is there, quietly making the world a better place. This company is so stable it makes a rock concert look like a bouncy castle. Their financials are a testament to their unwavering stability. Year after year, quarter after quarter, they deliver consistent results. It's like watching a master chef at work, each dish perfectly crafted, no surprises, just excellence. Investors love this kind of predictability because it means they can count on steady returns without the roller coaster ride that comes with more volatile stocks. They've been paying out dividends for what feels like centuries. In fact, they've been doing it for 58 consecutive years, making them a dividend king. This means they've not only paid dividends but have also increased them every single year for over half a century. It's like getting a raise every year without having to ask for it. For retirees and income-focused investors, this kind of reliability is pure gold. Seriously, I think they have a dinosaur on their board of directors. But in all seriousness, their leadership team is one of the best in the business. They know how to navigate through tough times and come out even stronger. It's like having a seasoned captain steering the ship through stormy seas, always finding the safest route to calmer waters. But hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Johnson & Johnson's business model is a perfect example of this philosophy. They stick to what they know best and continuously improve upon it. This approach has served them well, allowing them to maintain their market leadership and deliver consistent returns to their shareholders. Johnson & Johnson is like that old family recipe that's been passed down for generations. You know, the one that always turns out perfect no matter who makes it. It's a blend of tradition and innovation, with each generation adding their own touch while preserving the core essence. This is how Johnson & Johnson has managed to stay relevant and successful for so long. You know, the one your grandma swears by, even though no one knows what's actually in it. It's a closely guarded secret, much like Johnson & Johnson's ability to consistently deliver high-quality products and services. They have a knack for knowing what their customers need, often before the customers themselves realize it. But here's the thing, it always turns out delicious. Just like that secret family recipe, Johnson & Johnson's products always hit the mark. Whether it's their consumer health products, pharmaceuticals, or medical devices, they have a reputation for excellence that few can match. This is why they have such a loyal customer base and why investors feel confident putting their money into J&J. And that's what you get with J&J consistent, reliable dividends year after year. It's like clockwork. You can set your watch by it. This kind of dependability is rare in the stock market, where uncertainty is often the only certainty. But with Johnson & Johnson, you know what you're getting, a steady stream of income that you can count on. They're like the sweatpants of the stock market, comfortable, familiar, and always there for you. Just like your favorite pair of sweatpants, Johnson & Johnson provides a sense of security and comfort. You don't have to worry about sudden changes or unexpected surprises. You can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the steady returns. Plus, they've got their fingers in everything from baby shampoo to cutting-edge medical devices. This diversification is one of their greatest strengths. It means they're not overly reliant on any one product or market. If one area faces challenges, they have other segments that can pick up the slack. This balanced approach helps them weather economic downturns and come out even stronger. So, you know they're not going anywhere anytime soon. Their strong brand presence and diversified product portfolio ensure that they remain a dominant player in the market. They're constantly innovating and expanding their offerings, which keeps them ahead of the competition and ensures long-term growth. Unless, of course, the zombie apocalypse happens, in which case we'll all be too busy fighting off the undead to care about our portfolios anyway. But until that day comes, you can rest easy knowing that Johnson & Johnson is a rock-solid investment that will continue to deliver reliable returns for years to come. Next up, we've got Procter & Gamble, the company that's probably single-handedly keeping your local grocery store in business. From toothpaste to laundry detergent and even baby diapers, P&G has a product for almost every household need. Their extensive range of brands includes household names like Tide, Pampers, Gillette, and Crest. It's no wonder that their products are a staple in homes around the world. Seriously, these guys make everything. Whether you're cleaning your house, taking care of your personal hygiene, or even grooming your pets, there's a good chance you're using a P&G product. Their portfolio is so diverse that it's almost impossible to go through a day without using something they've made. I bet you've got at least 5 P&G products in your house right now. Think about it. Your shampoo, your dish soap, your razor, your laundry detergent, and even your baby's diapers. P&G has managed to integrate itself into nearly every aspect of our daily lives. Don't believe me? Go check your bathroom, your kitchen, your laundry room. Heck, check your neighbor's house. You'll probably find something. Their reach is so extensive that it's almost like a treasure hunt, and you're bound to find multiple P&G products in every corner of your home. But what's even more impressive than their product diversity is their dividend history. P&G isn't just a consumer goods giant, it's also a financial powerhouse. Investors love P&G not just for its reliable products, but also for its consistent financial performance. These guys have been paying out dividends consistently for over a century. That's right, for more than 100 years, P&G has been rewarding its shareholders with regular dividend payments. This kind of consistency is rare in the business world and speaks volumes about the company's stability and long-term vision. That's right, they were paying dividends before women could even vote. Imagine the kind of foresight and commitment it takes to maintain such a track record. Through wars, economic downturns, and countless market changes, P&G has remained a reliable source of income for its investors. Now, that's what I call commitment. It's not just about making money, it's about building a legacy of trust and reliability. P&G has proven time and again that they are in it for the long haul, making them a cornerstone in many investment portfolios. Procter & Gamble is like the Swiss Army knife of dividend stocks. Just like a Swiss Army knife is versatile and reliable, P&G offers a range of products and financial stability that makes it a must-have in any diversified investment strategy. They've got everything you need, and they always deliver. Whether it's through their wide range of consumer products or their consistent dividend payouts, P&G has built a reputation for reliability and excellence. So if you're looking for a stock that's as reliable as your morning coffee, and let's be honest, we all need that, then look no further than P&G. With their extensive product range and unparalleled dividend history, Procter & Gamble is a true dividend king that deserves a spot in your investment portfolio. Chapter 3. Let's talk about Coca-Cola, the beverage giant that's about as globally recognized as, well, anything. Seriously, you could probably show a bottle of Coke to someone in the middle of the Amazon rainforest, and they'd know exactly what it is. They've been around forever, and their secret formula is more closely guarded than the recipe for KFC's original chicken. But here's a secret they don't mind sharing: their commitment to paying dividends. Coca-Cola has been paying out dividends for decades, and they show no signs of slowing down. They're like the Energizer Bunny of the dividend world. They just keep going and going. So if you're looking for a stock that's as refreshing as a cold Coke on a hot day, then add KO to your watch list. Chapter 4. Next up, we've got AT&T, the telecommunications giant that's basically holding our digital lives hostage. From streaming our favorite shows to keeping us connected with loved ones, AT&T is a cornerstone of modern communication. Okay, maybe that's a bit dramatic, but let's be honest. Who isn't glued to their phone these days? Whether it's for work, socializing, or just killing time, our smartphones have become indispensable. And who do we have to thank for that? The companies that provide the infrastructure and services that keep our devices running smoothly. Well, AT&T plays a pretty big role. With its extensive network and wide range of services, AT&T ensures that we stay connected no matter where we are. But hey, at least they're sharing the wealth with their juicy dividend payouts. For investors, this is a significant perk. AT&T has been paying dividends consistently for years, making it a reliable choice for those looking to earn passive income. And they're known for their high yield. This makes AT&T particularly attractive to income-focused investors. They're like that friend who always picks up the tab at dinner. You might not always see them, but you're always happy when they're around. Their consistent dividends are like a financial safety net. So if you're looking for a stock that's as essential to your life as your smartphone, and let's be honest, who isn't? AT&T offers both connectivity and financial rewards. Then, AT&T might be the one for you. With its strong market presence and commitment to returning value to shareholders, AT&T stands out as a compelling investment option. Beyond just dividends, AT&T's broad range of services, from wireless to entertainment, makes it a versatile player in the market. Their ability to adapt and innovate keeps them relevant in a rapidly changing tech landscape. So, whether you're an investor looking for steady income or someone who relies on their phone for daily tasks, AT&T has something to offer. It's a stock that not only pays you back but also keeps you connected to the world. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we've got the one and only McDonald's. The Golden Arches are about as iconic as it gets, and their fries are more addictive than scrolling through TikTok. But what's even more satisfying than a Big Mac and fries after a long day? How about a steady stream of dividend payments hitting your account? McDonald's has been serving up dividends for decades, and they're known for their consistency and growth. They're like the comfort food of the stock market. Familiar, reliable, and always there to satisfy your cravings. So if you're looking for a stock that's as universally loved as a McDonald's cheeseburger, and let's be honest, who doesn't love a good cheeseburger? Then MCD might be the perfect addition to your portfolio. And there you have it, folks. My top 5 dividend stocks that are perfect for building long-term wealth. Remember, these are just a starting point. Do your own research, consult with a financial advisor, and invest responsibly. But most importantly, don't forget to have fun with it. Investing doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be pretty darn exciting when you're watching your money grow like a weed. The legal kind, of course. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get ready for more financial wisdom delivered with a side of humor. Until next time, happy investing.